Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining us on this Thursday morning. Friday's storm has entered the picture, currently churning up the waters in the Pacific, transporting a lot of moisture into the western United States, including some already in parts of Idaho and Montana. We'll start to see that moisture enter later on this afternoon, at least more widespread moisture. So winter storm watch has been issued by the National Weather Service for much of north central and northeast Montana. Great Falls included in this, all the way out to Glasgow from Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon, where we could see instances of up to 6 inches of snow in the plains here, up to a foot of snow in some of the mountain ranges, the high woods and the little belts, just to name a couple. Here's Helena this morning. A little bit of some fog, cloudy conditions, 21 degrees, likely colder into the valley with the influence of that the fog coming through the Wolf Creek Canyon there. Great Falls, much colder, 7 degrees right now. Humidity's at 96%, so we are just about there of forming some more foggy conditions this morning. Right now, stationary boundary for much of the state here. It's been here for quite a while, and it will continue to be here. This is a shallow boundary of cold air. A lot of the higher elevations are actually warmer than some of the plains. We're into the single digits, teens and 20s in southern Montana. Wind chill, plenty wood. Ooh, it's cold out there. Almost 30 below, at least the feels like temperature. There is a cold air advisory up there into northeast Montana for Sheridan County. Ask anybody who lives in Plentywood. It's been a rough winter so far, and it continues to be so. Visibility down to 7 miles in Great Falls, 8 miles in Chester up along the High Line. So patchy fog this morning, not as bad as it was yesterday. There still is a dense fog advisory, which does include Great Falls, Cut Bank, down to Lewistown until about noon today. So here's the radar right now. Not much going on in our state, but there's a little bit of snow in the Sapphire Mountains this morning. Other than that, everybody else is dry. I think Future Track is overdoing this here, but there could be a few snow showers into the Madison and Gallatin ranges throughout the morning hours. But for the most part, Thursday, a dry day, mostly cloudy, but here comes the first wave of moisture from our storm system. We'll start to see some snow showers form after sunset tonight. Here's Helena, 7:30, some showers up into the Big Belts and then transferring south into the Boulders and Elkhorns. Could see a little bit of some snow in the higher elevations, maybe 1 to 3 inches, at least tonight. But here comes tomorrow. That moisture surges back up north. This is 8 a.m. We could see consistent snow all day in Helena, and that's the big change in our forecast going from yesterday to today. It's looking more and more likely that cold air is going to invade into the Helena Valley from the north, and we could see mainly snow with this system. But do notice, rain-snow mix back to our south and west, so it is right there, that warm air. The boundary is very, very close to us. Even going into Friday night here, notice rain and butte mix up into the higher elevation, so a wintry mess for a lot of southwest Montana, but at least Future Track right now, Helena is in the snow, so I've upped our snow totals, at least for predicted snow totals, 1 to 3 inches for the Helena Valley, a rain-snow mix back to our west, and here's why. Below freezing temperatures at the 700 millibar level right now. That's about 10,000 feet above our head. Above freezing temperatures will move in Friday afternoon and Friday night. So that is an ingredient for freezing rain, especially if we have that cold air into the valley. So that's something we're going to pay attention to going into tomorrow and Saturday. So here's your next 7 days. So we'll be in the 30s today, 20s in Helena tomorrow, and then the widespread snow for much of the state could see significant snow totals elsewhere.